Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing okay. So as you can see, I've got something red on my table and I'm gonna make it the middle part of 3 paintings. So the first one I did was this blue one and it came out pretty nice. I had some issues with the background, so I did the green. That's this one. That had the same issues with the background. I kind of fixed it. It's still not as perfect. You can see some paint coming up. I'm not sure if I'm going to be sanding that down and trying to fill it out. But the sides are currently wet because I'm trying to fix those as well. So I'm going to make a middle part and it needs to flow in between these. So we're going to be going in the middle in kind of a wavy pattern. So let's go for it. So I was explaining a lot of things to you, but my camera wasn't recording. So I did my base, I did my colors, my metallics, my coppers first, then silver, then gold. I'm not gonna cover them. I just did a pillow to the side. Yeah, you missed like about 15 minutes of me talking and preparing the canvas. Well, that happens, that's the first. So I'm gonna blow this side, and then probably down and up. I marked my canvas, it should be around here and here. So let's see if I can do that. This looks really promising. I probably don't even want to touch it. It's amazing. Look at that. You guys, I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm scared to touch anything. I know there's too much red here. There's a lot of red here, so maybe I'll blow the red out just a tiny bit. I'm gonna try and get just some of the red. So let's see how this one dries. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. So we're back. I just wanted to show you what's happening. It looks like the metallic is again, it's creating a lacing, but it's covered with the red. And I'm scared that when it dries, the red is not going to be as transparent as I would like it. So what I was thinking to at least put another puddle here. I'm just gonna do it. And see if I can blow it out. Okay, let's do that again. This time I'm going here. I'm gonna be in the shot again, sorry. I might just have to let it dry like this and see what comes up. So, thank you for watching. Bye all.